Do you need to create a business plan but don't know where to start? Maybe you've tried to write one before, but it didn't turn out well. Regardless of your experience level, this video will help you create a business plan that is both professional and effective. Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about how to write a business plan example. We'll walk through each process step from understanding your goals to outlining your strategies. We will also discuss the tips on how to write a business plan example successfully and effectively. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge you need to write a business plan that works for your company. So let's get started. What is a business plan example? A business plan is a written document that outlines your business goals, strategies, and how you plan to achieve them. It's essential to have a business plan example because it helps you stay organized and on track as you grow your business. Why do you need one? A business plan can be a valuable tool to help secure your business funding or simply keep yourself on track as you grow your company. If you are seeking investment, a business plan can help to convince potential investors that your business is worth investing in. It is also an excellent way to ensure that you have thought through all the critical aspects of starting and growing your business and that you are prepared for challenges you may face along the way. The different sections on how to write a business plan example. A few key sections should be included in every business plan example. These sections can vary slightly depending on your specific industry or business, but they should all be addressed in some way. The executive summary is the first section of your business plan. As the name suggests, it should provide a brief business plan overview. It should include your company's mission statement, an overview of your products or services, your target market, and your business goals. The executive summary is critical because it gives potential investors an overview of your business and helps them decide if they want to invest in your company. When writing the executive summary, start by briefly introducing your company. Then, provide an overview of your products or services. Next, describe your target market and explain how you plan to reach them. Finally, outline your business goals and briefly summarize your financial situation. The company description is where you provide more detail about your business. These sections should include information about your company's history, structure, and any special qualifications or experience that you may have. The company description is essential because it helps potential investors understand your business and what makes it unique. When writing the company description, start with a brief history of your company. Then, describe your company's current structure and any special qualifications or experience that you may have. Finally, provide an overview of your products or services. The market analysis is the third section of your business plan. In this section, you will need to research and provide information about your target market. The market analysis is essential because it helps potential investors understand the size and scope of your target market. This includes information about their needs, your competition, and your potential customers. When writing the market analysis, start by briefly describing your target market. Then, tell your competition and how you plan to differentiate yourself from them. Finally, explain your potential customers and how you plan to reach them. The competitive analysis is the fourth section of your business plan. In this section, you will need to research and provide information about your competitors. This includes their products or services, pricing, and marketing strategies. The competitive analysis is crucial because it helps potential investors understand the competitive landscape of your industry. When writing the competitive analysis, start by briefly describing your competitors. Then, represent their products or services and their pricing. Finally, explain their marketing strategies and how you plan to compete with them. The sales and marketing strategy is the fifth section of your business plan. This section will need to provide information about your sales and marketing strategies. This includes information about your target market, advertising and promotion strategies, and sales goals. The sales and marketing strategy is vital because it helps potential investors understand how you plan to generate revenue for your business. When writing the sales and marketing strategy, describe your target market briefly. Then, describe your advertising and promotion strategies. Finally, outline your sales goals and explain how you plan to achieve them. The financial plan is the last section of your business plan. this section, we'll need to provide information about your financial situation. This includes information about your income, expenses, and assets. The financial plan is crucial because it helps potential investors understand your financial needs and how you plan to use their investment. When writing the financial plan, start by briefly describing your current financial situation, then explain your income and expenses. Finally, outline your assets and liabilities. Here are the tips for creating an effective and successful business plan example. Number 1, do your research. Before you start writing your business plan, it is essential to do your research. This includes market research, competitive analysis, and financial analysis. This research will help you understand your industry, competition, and potential customers. It will also help you determine your financial needs and how to best use your resources. Number 2, write a clear and concise plan. Your business plan should be clear and concise. It should be easy for potential investors to understand. The plan should also be straightforward, to be easily read and understood. Number 3, include all the vital information. When writing your business plan, include all the critical information. This includes your company overview, market analysis, competitive analysis, sales and marketing strategy, and financial plan. Number 4, make it visually appealing. Your business plan should be visually appealing. Use charts, graphs, and images to make it easy to understand. Number 5, edit and proofread. Before you submit your business plan, be sure to edit and proofread it. This will ensure that it is error-free and ready for investors to review. Number 6, get feedback. Before you finalize your business plan, get feedback from family, friends, and other business professionals. This feedback will help you ensure that your plan is clear, concise, and complete. Number 7, have a backup plan. Always have a backup plan if your first choice doesn't work out. This backup plan should include alternative strategies and solutions so that you can still achieve your goals even if your first attempt fails. Number 8, be prepared to revise. Your business plan is not set in stone as your business changes and grows. So too should your business plan. Be always prepared to revise and update your plan to reflect your current situation. Number 9, seek professional help. If you are having trouble writing your business plan, seek professional help. There are many resources available to help you create a successful business plan. These resources can be found online, at your local library, or through a professional consultant. Number 10, have confidence in your plan. After you have created your business plan, have confidence in it. This confidence will show through when you present your plan to potential investors. Remember that your business plan is a roadmap to success. So believe in it, in yourself, and you will surely achieve your goals. The purpose of a business plan is to provide a roadmap for your company's future. A well-written business plan example can help you secure funding, track progress, and make intelligent decisions about your business. Following the tips outlined in this video, you can create a comprehensive and effective business plan to set your company up for success. Start writing. What are you waiting for? Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video, how to write a business plan example. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.